Good morning, students. We welcome you in the summer camp of Maharana Pratap Public School. I know you are very excited to know about gardening, to know about how to grow plants. As you know, plants are natural protectors and supporters of life on earth. I remember a few lines on plants I want to share with you. धरती की बस यही पुकार, पेड़ लगाओ बारंबार, आओ मिलकर कसम खाएं, अपनी धरती हरित बनाएं. So let's start our beautiful journey with the most wonderful plant that is known as mint. Scientific name of mint is mentha. Family is Lamiaceae. Kingdom is Plantae. They are aromatic perennial herbs. They have many health benefits. They have respiratory benefits. They reduces nausea. They cause sunburn relief, improve digestion, and they get relief from allergy and muscular pain. They also help in sinus care. Let's start growing this amazing plant. Materials required are garden soil, compost, matchbox, cutter, candle, mint leaves.
First, we will take an empty plastic bottle. You can take any which is available at your home, and we will make some holes. Now we will make holes in this with the help of the screwdriver on the whole bottle. You can see the size of the holes. Make it on the whole bottle.
This is compost. You can easily make this by using kitchen waste and dried leaves. This is candle, matchbox, cutter, and few cuttings of mint.
We will mix this garden soil with compost like this. Mix it thoroughly. Check that there should not be any stones in it. Now cut the bottle like this from the top. Now we'll put some soil in this bottle like this. Now our pot is ready. Look at this. I have put some compost on the top also. Now we will prepare the cuttings of mint for growing. Now we have to take care of few things before growing this stem. The stem should be hard. You can look at this brown color stem. It should be hard. If you take soft stem, it will decay easily. तो आपको hard stem लेनी है. Now we will make a cutting like this. Now our stems are ready to grow. Now put these cuttings in these holes like this. Like this. I'm removing the leaves so that it can be inserted easily. Just like this, we have to put all the cuttings in the holes. See, like this. Now, we will add some water. I have taken an empty bottle, make a hole in it and then we can add water like this. Water your plant daily. After few days, you can see it will grow completely. Now we can keep this pot like this also, or you can hang it also. For this, you have to make a wall hanging. And how will you make it? You can take this jute rope, cut it into equal pieces. I have made this 6 pieces and then tie it with a knot like this. Like this, right? Now keep it here. Taking 2 strings, again tie a knot at an equal distance. Like this. You can take any rope if you have at your home. Like this. Now taking 1 string from each pair, आप इसको tie कर देंगे like this. यहाँ से भी एक ले लीजिए स्ट्रिंग और उसको टाई कर दीजिए. अब ये जो 2 स्ट्रिंग्स हैं इनको भी टाई कर दीजिए. Now your hanging is ready. Let's put our plant in this hanging. Look, I have hung this bottle here, and few days back I have grown mint in this empty coconut shell. You can do like this also.